Yes, this is the account of one of my students who bought my software and video course, and I started earning already on his Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, whenever I develop some software which I'll be using to get traffic to my search, to my Clickbank affiliate marketing platform, and it has been doing fine. It has been giving me excellent results since I've started, and the software is up for sale now. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, the software is really getting me real sales. And remember, the software work by gathering leads online from search engines and digital platforms, and promoting your leads, and promoting your link or your platform to these leads. And it's very you can have my guarantee that, as you can see on the screen, you also have sales when you use my software. So remember, if you want to get the software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywest07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on Telegram or through the number in the description of this video, or text me on my Gmail at skywest07@gmail.com to get your affiliate marketing software today and start earning. Because if you not learn, you won't earn. So learn today and start earning. As you can see on the screen, and if you check my previous videos, you will see I have many students and a lot of students who have gotten my software, and they are doing fine. And this is one of my students also. As you can see the result on the screen, he got my software and it's already earning. Yes. So remember, if you want to get software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywest07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.